Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will try to learn how ethical hackers grab the NTLM hash and NTLM version 2 hash from the network, and how they try to crack it, and what can we use the password for and stuff like that. So it's very easy. Actually, most of the penetration testers use responder to listen to all the network connections or the events, but we can simply use the SMB server as well. So I'll first try to check what is the if config in Linux. uh, what is the IP of our Kali? It's 102.131. I'll quickly shift to my Windows server and see the IP address out there. The IP address is 128, and also I'll try to quickly ping my Kali machine from here if I can access or not. 131. Yes, I can see that I can access my Kali from here. Very good. So I'll come back to my Kali. So here it's very easy to host an SMB server. We can just go to an Impacket tools. We'll get SMB server.python file from Impacket tools. From here, so we just need to type as Impacket space SMB server. We'll end up here. So once we copy pasted that into the Kali machine, I'll try to host the share using this command python 3 smb2 support, and share name can be anything, literally anything. You can also keep Kali or your name or whatever it is. I'll just leave it there with the Kali, and what is the directory you're hosting, which is current directory. So I'll just click enter. So here now we have hosted SMB server. Now in order to grab the NetNTLM version hash, so I'll just give a quick introduction of what is NetNTLM version 2 hash. So NetNTLM hash is a protocol. Usually it's referred to as protocol used in the Windows environments for authentication. So it is a more secure version of NTLM, and it is used to secure the authentication process between a client and a server in a Windows domain specifically. So NTLM version 2 hash is actually derived from the user password in the authentication process. I'll just quickly shift to my Windows and show how to actually grab the hash and then talk about it. I'll go to Windows. So now we have hosted an SMB server. Now simply I will try to connect. This is a Windows server. I'll try to connect to our Kali 02.131 slash Kali share. And this is all we need for grabbing NetNTLM version 2 hash. So if I go to Kali, you can see we have grabbed a hash here. So this is very common in organizations where someone tries to access a share which is not there at all. So such kind of uh, events or requests can be captured using this. So what this essentially does is looks out for all the events and everything. Now this grabs the hash. So once we get the hash, we can crack it using hashcat. It's again a simple process. So we can simply use hashcat, and the mode we use is 5600 for NetNTLM, and then we just need to give the hash here. I'll just copy the hash and create nano admin admin.hash. I can just give it here, admin.hash, and rock is very common. Wordless rock. I'll just try to do this and see if my hashcat was able to crack this. I can see it's taking a lot of memory. What I usually do is I'll just go with the John automatically detects what kind of hash it is, so it directly cracks it. We don't need to mention any more. See, Pam. Now we cracked the password, and this is the password of an admin on a Windows server. So this is actually a simulated Windows server I have created. This is a domain controller as well. So that's it. This is as simple as we just need to grab the hash, crack the hash, and then once we crack the hash, based on the ports open on the Windows machine or Windows server, we'll try to RDP, or we'll try to SSH, or whatever it is. Based on that, we can just literally spray this password and get a hit somewhere. That is all for this video, and if you have any doubt, just comment so that I'll try to respond.